Okay, another test with the expanding broadheads that are available for the Interceptor, the Revo 7 and also for the Adder crossbows and all compatible models. So these open theoretically on impact. Therefore I again prepared ballistic gelatin with a t-shirt and leather as skin so that we will find out if they work. Two things are different versus the last test. First of all, the sun is shining. This means that we will have much better picture quality with the high-speed camera. And also I'm going to shoot sideways into it so that hopefully we will see the tips expanding in the gel block. Okay, with my Interceptor, 60-pound limb set, expanding broadheads. We're going to shoot sideways so that hopefully we will see how they open up. Okay, we're really close. We can see that they beautifully opened. You can also see the wound canal. And you should also be able to see that the cut wasn't really wide enough here. So it did open in the gel block. You can really see how it's widening here. Now we're going to turn this a little bit more so that we will see the beginning of the turn face for the next shot. Now we will use my shortened CIA adder with the Venom 170-pound limb set to test it out. And I will try to shoot a little bit lower this time so that the gel block is thicker and also so that we have a different wound canal here. All right. Okay. Maybe like this. Now there's absolutely no doubt that this fully opened in the gel block. You can beautifully see it. Wow, that's effective. Okay, now we're going to try with a little bit more distance so that we hopefully can see that it enters closed and opens in the gel block. Right. From this distance here. Now that was probably the best shot of all of them, because you can clearly see in the high speed that actually it cut through wide open, and then from the momentum, actually, from the inertia, the blades closed again. So they were fully open in the tissue and then they closed here. Very nice to see. Okay, now we're also going to do a distance shot. So that's like, I don't know, maybe 8 or 9 meters. And we're going to do that to prove that it also works from a longer distance and not just from point blank. Even though, of course, I haven't sighted the crossbow in for that kind of distance. So wish me luck that I'm hitting it well. I will try to shoot sideways. I have no idea what kind of influence that has on my aiming. So wish me luck. So the wound canal is really clear, and also the high speed clearly shows that the bolt comes in closed and then opens up in the gel. Wow, what a cut. And then it closes again from inertia once it's through. So I think that clearly proves the effectiveness of these broadheads. They're really, really effective. They do exactly what they're supposed to do. They come in closed, open in the flesh, and then sometimes, if they're all the way through, they close again, ready to enter the next zombie behind the first one. I love those. I think they're really, really great. I think those are the best hunting and combat bolts for the crossbows, for the mini crossbows, because they make them so much more deadly. And I love deadliness. And I hope you do too, because that's it for today. Thanks and bye-bye.